Ever wondered what mysteries lie hidden under the vast icy expanses of Siberia? Siberia, an immense and enigmatic land stretching across 11 time zones, is the epitome of the formidable and the awe-inspiring. It is a realm where the ice-cold winds of the Arctic Ocean sweep across the sprawling tundra, the world's largest forest expanse thrives, and the mighty Siberian rivers carve their way through the landscape. This is a place that has fascinated and perplexed explorers for centuries, a place where the mystery is as deep as the permafrost that cloaks the land. Siberia, a name that often stirs up images of desolation and extreme cold, is much more than its frosty facade. Located in the northern part of Asia and accounting for a whopping 77% of Russia's landmass, Siberia is colossal. To give you an idea, if it were a country, it would be the largest in the world, outstripping Canada by a considerable margin. The climate of Siberia is as varied as its landscape. It's a place where the temperature can swing from a scorching 40 degrees Celsius in summer to a bone-chilling -50 in winter. This is a land of extremes, where the sun barely sets in the summer months, and in winter the darkness is only briefly interrupted by a few hours of daylight. But don't be fooled by the harsh weather conditions. Siberia is a land of untamed beauty, where the wilderness reigns supreme. From the rugged peaks of the Altai Mountains to the vast expanses of the Siberian taiga, from the eerie beauty of Lake Baikal, the world's deepest freshwater lake, to the desolate but captivating landscapes of the Arctic tundra, Siberia is a place of breathtaking natural contrasts. Unraveling the mysteries of Siberia is akin to peeling back the layers of a vast, intricate and frozen tapestry, each layer revealing a new and captivating facet of this enigmatic land. Siberia, a land of extremes, is waiting to unfold its stories. Beneath the ice, Siberia throbs with life. Imagine an icy expanse, a land where the sun barely peeks over the horizon, where winter's icy grip holds fast for more than half the year. To many this might seem an inhospitable place, but this is Siberia, a land of stark beauty and surprising vitality. Here in this frigid wilderness, a remarkable array of creatures has not only survived but thrived in conditions that would daunt most other species. Take, for instance, the majestic Siberian tiger. This regal beast, the largest cat species in the world, prowls the snowy forests, its thick fur providing insulation against the biting cold. Then there is the brown bear, another iconic resident of Siberia. These powerful creatures are the kings of the forest, commanding respect with their formidable size and strength. They are capable of surviving the harshest of winters, hibernating in caves and emerging in the spring, ready to reclaim their domain. But let's not forget the reindeer, a true icon of the north. These hardy animals are perfectly adapted to the Siberian climate, with their dense fur and wide hooves that prevent them from sinking into the snow. They migrate hundreds of miles each year, following the seasons and the availability of food, a testament to their resilience and adaptability. But it's not just these well-known animals that make Siberia so fascinating. There are countless other species, from the tiny Siberian chipmunk to the elusive snow leopard, each playing a vital role in the ecosystem, each a testament to the strength and resilience required to survive in this harsh environment. And then, beneath the snow and ice, a whole other world exists. A world of insects, rodents and other small creatures burrowing and tunneling, eking out an existence in the frozen earth. This is the wild Siberia, a place of stark contrasts, where life persists in the face of adversity, a place where every creature, from the smallest insect to the largest predator, has adapted to thrive in the harshest of climates. The wilderness of Siberia, it seems, is a resilient survivor, just like its inhabitants. In the heart of the freezing tundra, the warm spirit of humanity thrives. Carved out of the world's coldest wilderness, Siberia is home to a tapestry of resilient and diverse communities. These people, often overlooked in tales of icy landscapes and unforgiving winters, are the true soul of Siberia, living in harmony with the severe environment. Let's journey into the lives of the indigenous people of Siberia, a world where ancient traditions and customs are preserved against the backdrop of an ever-changing global landscape. From the reindeer herding Nenettes of the Yamal Peninsula to the fisherfolk of the Baikal region, each community has its own unique culture, shaped by the land itself. The Nenettes, for instance, have a nomadic lifestyle, moving across the tundra with their reindeer herds, their lives intricately woven with the rhythms of nature. They have thrived in these harsh conditions for centuries, their survival testimony to their exceptional resilience and adaptability. In contrast, the people of the Baikal region depend on the world's deepest lake for their livelihood. They have a profound respect for nature, a sentiment echoed in their culture and traditions. Their folklore is rich with tales of the lake spirits, and their rituals often revolve around honoring these entities. Despite their strong spirit, the people of Siberia face unique challenges. The extreme weather conditions are not just a backdrop to their lives, but a formidable adversary. Each day is a struggle against the elements, a testament to their indomitable will and perseverance. And yet, they are not just survivors. They are the custodians of their unique cultures, the guardians of their ancient ways. They are the poets who sing songs of the tundra, the storytellers who weave tales of the icy rivers and the vast forests. They are the artists who capture the stark beauty of their homeland in every stroke of their brush. In Siberia, life has a way of enduring against all odds. The people of Siberia are the embodiment of this spirit, a testament to the strength of humanity in the face of adversity. They are the heartbeat of the Siberian wilderness, keeping the rhythm of life alive in the heart of the freezing tundra. Beneath Siberia's icy surface lie secrets more precious than gold. In this vast frozen wilderness, a treasure trove of natural resources nestles, silently shaping the landscape and the lives of those who call it home. Siberia, a place often associated with harsh weather and isolation, is also a land abundant with oil, natural gas, and an array of minerals. This wealth isn't just buried deep within Siberia's permafrost, it pulses through the veins of its economy. Siberia's oil, a black gold that seeps from the earth, is a driving force of Russia's economic engine. It's not just a resource, it's a lifeline, a connection to the world beyond the snow and ice. But the oil is only part of the story. Siberia's natural gas reserves are some of the largest in the world. This gas, drawn from the frozen earth, heats homes and powers industries across the globe. It's a beacon of warmth in the biting cold, a spark of life in the frosty air. The land also hides a kaleidoscope of minerals. From diamonds that glimmer with the cold, clear light of the Siberian winter to nickel, copper and coal, these resources have etched their mark on Siberia's history and its future. These treasures, though tucked away in Siberia's remote corners, ripple outwards, impacting not just the region but the world. They fuel economies, spark conflicts and shape geopolitical landscapes. They are the silent players in a global game of power and wealth. Yet these resources are not just commodities. They are part of Siberia's identity, woven into the fabric of its history and its people. They are symbols of resilience and adaptability, testaments to the strength of a land and its inhabitants in the face of harsh conditions. Siberia, it seems, holds not just tales of survival but also keys to colossal wealth. The icy heart of Siberia is warming, and the consequences are dire. A chilling reality we face today, as the coldest region on Earth undergoes a dramatic transformation. Climate change is not a distant threat for Siberia. It's a present-day reality, and it's leaving its bleak mark on the vast wilderness. As global temperatures rise, Siberia is experiencing a faster rate of warming than most places on Earth. This rapid warming is causing the permafrost, the permanently frozen layer beneath the surface, to thaw. Permafrost covers nearly two-thirds of Siberia, and its melting is not just a regional concern but a global one. Why, you may ask? Well, as permafrost thaws, it releases massive amounts of carbon dioxide and methane, potent greenhouse gases, into the atmosphere. This, in turn, accelerates global warming, creating a vicious cycle. It's a ticking time bomb, and the clock is ticking faster than expected. But the melting permafrost is not the only challenge Siberia faces. Wildfires are another devastating consequence of a warmer Siberia. In recent years, Siberia's fire season has become longer and more intense, with wildfires sweeping across millions of hectares of forest. These fires not only destroy Siberia's unique biodiversity, but they also release enormous amounts of carbon stored in the trees and soil, further contributing to global warming. What's more, these wildfires are leaving behind a landscape that's more susceptible to future fires and less able to recover. It's a concerning trend that's reshaping the face of Siberia, and it's happening at a startling pace. And let's not forget the human impact. The people of Siberia, who have lived in harmony with this harsh environment for generations, are now being forced to adapt to a changing world. Their traditional ways of life are being threatened, and their homes are at risk. The story of Siberia's environmental challenges is a stark reminder of the urgent need for action on climate change. It's a tale of change, of loss, but also of resilience. As Siberia warms, the world watches with bated breath. As the ice thaws, what does the future hold for this frozen frontier? In the heart of the Eurasian continent lies Siberia, a land of breathtaking beauty and unforgiving cold. But as the world grapples with the reality of climate change, Siberia finds itself at the forefront of a transformation, a metamorphosis that could alter its landscape and the lives of its inhabitants forever. Global warming is casting a long shadow over Siberia. The permafrost, that age-old icy crust that has been a constant in Siberia's narrative, is thawing. This not only threatens the unique ecosystems that call this frozen frontier home, but also releases vast amounts of trapped greenhouse gases, further exacerbating our climate crisis. Yet, in the face of adversity, there is opportunity. The melting ice is revealing untapped reserves of minerals, oil, and natural gas. These resources could potentially fuel economic growth, creating jobs and fostering development. However, the exploitation of these resources must be done responsibly, with a keen eye on sustainability to prevent further environmental damage. The indigenous people of Siberia, who have lived in harmony with nature for generations, are witnessing an unprecedented change in their lifestyle. The thawing permafrost affects their traditional hunting and fishing grounds, forcing them to adapt and evolve. Yet their deep connection to the land and their age-old wisdom can guide us in our quest for a sustainable future. Siberia, in its icy splendor, is a mirror reflecting the world's environmental triumphs and trials. It simultaneously encapsulates the harsh realities of climate change and the possibilities of human resilience and innovation. As we step into the future, we must tread with care, balancing progress with preservation and exploitation with empathy. The future of Siberia is a tale yet untold, a story that will be written by the actions we take today. It is a reminder that our relationship with nature is not one of dominion, but of stewardship. It is a call for us to respect and protect the natural world, for in its well-being lies our own. Only time will tell what lies ahead for this vast icy wilderness. So, what have we learned about this vast icy expanse known as Siberia? We've journeyed together through the wild, unyielding beauty of Siberia. From the permafrost tundras to the dense taiga forests, we've discovered a land that is both hauntingly beautiful and brutally challenging, home to a myriad of unique creatures that have adapted to thrive in its harsh conditions. Siberia's wildlife, from the majestic Siberian tigers to the hardy reindeer, is a testament to the incredible adaptability of life on Earth. We've also immersed ourselves in the rich tapestry of Siberia's indigenous cultures. The people of Siberia, from the Evenki reindeer herders to the Yakut horse breeders, have shown us how humans can not only survive, but also flourish in some of the most extreme environments on our planet. Their time-honored traditions, deeply intertwined with the land and its creatures, are a vivid reminder of our own human resilience and adaptability. But Siberia is not just a land of ice and snow. Beneath its frozen surface lies a treasure trove of resources. From natural gas and oil to diamonds and gold, Siberia's vast mineral wealth has long been a source of fascination and greed. Yet, as we've learned, these riches come with their own set of challenges. The extraction and exploitation of Siberia's resources have had a profound impact on its environment, altering its landscapes and threatening its delicate ecosystems. Indeed, the environmental challenges facing Siberia are as vast as the region itself. From melting permafrost and forest fires to illegal wildlife trade, Siberia finds itself at the forefront of some of the most pressing environmental issues of our time. Yet amidst these challenges, there are glimmers of hope. Conservation efforts are underway to protect Siberia's unique wildlife and habitats, and indigenous communities are fighting to preserve their ancestral lands and ways of life. Looking to the future, Siberia stands at a crossroads. Will it succumb to the pressures of climate change and resource exploitation? Or will it persevere, its wild heart beating strong amidst the ice and snow? The answer, as always, lies in our hands. Through our actions and decisions, we have the power to shape Siberia's future, ensuring that its unique wildlife, cultures and landscapes continue to thrive for generations to come. Siberia, a land of extremes and of extraordinary resilience, continues to captivate and intrigue us all. As we've discovered, it's a place that challenges our perceptions and compels us to look beyond the surface, revealing a world that is as complex as it is beautiful. From its wild landscapes and unique creatures to its rich resources and vibrant cultures, Siberia is a testament to the power of resilience, the beauty of diversity, and the indomitable spirit of life.